Go.
Welcome everyone to the special limits lesson of the Calculus Teaches Junior section. Let us recall first that the limit is the intended height of a function. You have your first example here that says the limit as x approaches 1 of sine of x over x equals blank. And you look at the given graph of the function and you see that the intended height of the function is at 1. So that would become your answer because the limit is the intended height. So your first one would be 1. You see your second example says the limit as x approaches 0 of 1 minus cosine of x over x equals blank. And if you recall this graph, it's the graph of 1 minus cosine of x over x. And the intended height of the graph is at 0. So that would become your answer. Because once again, the limit is the intended height. You move on to this example that says the limit as x approaches 0 of tangent of x over x. And if we recall, tangent of x just becomes sine of x over x times 1 over cosine of x. Because sine over cosine of x is just tangent. So then you multiply this out, and if you recall from the first example in the launch, sine of x over x is just 1. And another rule that was given to us was that 1 over cosine of x was also 1. So then you multiply these out and your final answer would be 1. The second example is the limit as x approaches 0 of sine of 4x over 4x. And we want to get this function to look like the original function. So what we're going to do is you're going to multiply by 4 on both sides.